Hey, good afternoon, everyone. Happy Monday to you all. It's June 8th. It's time for our chart of the week. And today we're going to profile big pharma name Eli Lilly. And we'll be marking the chart here up as we go along. One thing to notice about Lilly that's really sticks out is that how well it's performed over the past couple of months, certainly since the beginning of May, the end of April, since it made an interim bottom over here after one in early March. But what's really impressive is the stock volume that we've seen on the way up, and we'll talk about that in just a minute. But here's a trend line that we have that kind of connects to some bottoms here. We have some support right around here at the $73 level, but look at how the stock has really surged on some really strong volume. It's had some decent news coming in, but what's just so impressive is that, as we can see here, as it shot higher towards the end of May as we started the month of June, on some really strong volume. We saw the MACD came over here. We got it to an overbought level in the Williams percent R. And what was really nice to see is that we had a pullback here that gave a bull retest entry right over here. It pulled back just for a couple of days, right down to that 10-day moving average, which is the purple line over here. We still have some, looks like we still have some room to go here. The stock was up strongly on Friday and on Monday. Today, June 8th, and a very, very weak tape, which tells us the relative strength is extremely impressive, and we don't have to go any further than looking at the top pane to see the strong relative strength versus the market. So this is a stock that we definitely have our eyes on. And again, what we saw here back in March was just almost as impressive as what we saw here at the end of May, with a strong volume and a strong price action. This is what I like to see, is when I see a stock moving in this kind of fashion upwards in price with a very, very strong turnover here. It's really meaningful. Now, we could certainly pull back a little bit like we did in late March and early April, but I suspect that we'll have support levels all the way through with couple of these bars over here, as we did back over here in middle of March. This is Eli Lilly is a big pharma name, much like the ones we've seen of late have weaker action like a Merck or a Pfizer, or even an Amgen. This stock is performing extremely well. We'll be keeping an eye on this one. Have a great day, and I will see you guys next time.